Alright, I'm just going to show you a couple things that need to be changed before this is absolutely perfect. So here, when we change each equation to put it in exponential form, your log is no longer going to be in your answer. So if I give you an example like this, let's say log base 5 of 25 equals 2. Sorry, my pen's kind of freaking out. What you're going to do to put it in exponential form without a log is you're going to start with this number. That's going to be the base of your exponent. You're going to shoot over here, make it squared, equals 25, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3 in that order, okay? So if I give you another example, let's say log base 3 of 27 equals 3. We're going to start here, 3 cubed equals 27. So all of these answers won't have log in them, all right? Just for these 5 here, the rest of your assignment is perfect. Good job.